Welcome to qnawire.
Hi, so here we're told that we're going to have four successive displacements. The first one is going to be of 4 kilometers. The second one is going to be 5 kilometers, and all of the displacements that we're going to have are at right angles. So in this case, since I don't have the actual figure, I'm going to assume that they're essentially going in a circle. So we're going to go 5 kilometers down. Next up, also 4 kilometers now in this direction. And finally, 2 kilometers up. With this, we want to know what is going to be the magnitude of the resultant displacement. So that is going to be simply the distance in between this point and this point. And we can say here is that this is going to be directly equal to 3 kilometers, just by looking at the drawing. In the case that the drawing is different to this one, I suggest that you upload the actual image for the diagram, just to try to cover another possibility. Let's say that all of them are going to be at 90 degrees, but on different directions. So this is going to be the second option, just in case that the diagram looks like this instead. The first one 4 kilometers, the second one also at 90 degrees, but 5 kilometers out. Next up, 4 kilometers over here. And let's put the last one 2 kilometers up. So the distance over here would be on the x-axis coming from the origin. Let's say that we have this coordinate system as follows. On the x-axis, we traveled a total distance of 8 kilometers. And on the y-axis, we would have traveled 5 over here and then minus 2, 3 kilometers, corresponding to this point. Okay, so that means that the total magnitude of the displacement would be the square root of 8 squared plus 3 squared, which would be equal to a square root of 49. Sorry, a square root of 64 plus 9, which is square root of 73. So magnitude for the distance equal to 8.544 kilometers. So these are going to be two possible options. I'm going to put in green the two possible answers over here. Again, if you want the correct result exactly for the diagram that you are being shown, then please upload the question with that image. So with that, it would be all. Thank you very much. Just as a summary, essentially the distance is going to be equal to the square root of the displacement on the x direction squared plus the displacement on the y direction squared.